Transport Minister Audley Shaw is warning taxi operators against overcharging commuters. The call comes amidst reports that fares on some routes have gone up. A Sunday Gleaner report on taxi fares across the island indicated that 35 of 47 taxi trips investigated were overcharging passengers. On one route in St. James, the Gleaner investigative reporter was charged $500, nearly 3 times the legal fare of $180. At a JLP Area Council 3 meeting in Clarendon on Sunday, Mr. Shaw said any fare hike outside of the 15% increase in August last year is illegal.
The operators to stop going out on their own and driving up the prices at points where the consumers cannot afford to be transported by them. More to come on that. I'll be doing much more research and consultation with the sector.
While the government is prepared to meet with operators on fuel and fare challenges, he said taxi and bus drivers must immediately fix some issues.
It's also a question of discipline. We need to bring back discipline and order into our transportation system.